What's up, guys? So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design this nice orbital ring effect in Adobe Illustrator. This is something that I wish I had learned a long time ago. It has a lot of useful applications for you want to make something look like it's going through another object with part of it in front and part of it behind. So already I have 3 layers set up here, top, middle, and bottom. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go on my bottom layer and I'm going to take my ellipse tool and make this nice ellipse. Then I'm going to have it selected and go up to Object, Path, Offset Path. And what this does is it shrinks or expands the current path. So if I type positive, it'll go outside. If I type negative, it'll go inside. So in this case, I want it to go inside, so just hit OK. I'm going to select both of these, go to Pathfinder, Subtract. So now we have this nice ring. So for this, I'm going to turn the stroke off. And then I'm going to take my line segment tool, go to the anchor, and snap to the other anchor. With this line still selected, I'm going to go up to Object, Path, Divide Objects Below. And what this does is it splits off the ring into 2 different halves very nicely, and these seams match up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take both of these, copy, and paste in front with Control or Command F. And I'm going to turn back on the stroke just so that we can see it. And I'm going to get rid of the fill. So now this is only stroke. And so if I zoom in here, I'm going to, with the direct select tool, select this segment and delete it. And same thing on the other side. So now we have this nice looking ring. And I'm going to take these bottom ones here that are going to be in front of our object, and I'm going to paste them in front, again using Control or Command F, and put them on this top layer. So now we have the 2 rings separated. And then to make this object in the middle, whatever you want going through it, you're going to put that on the middle layer. And in this case, I'm just going to use a simple ellipse. And fill it like that. Now to get this cutaway effect here, there's the knife tool. If you go under, normally it's kept under eraser or scissors. If you don't see it, just go to those 3 dots here and scroll down until you find the knife tool. And there's a bunch of other tools in here that are really useful that you can dock. And with the knife tool, what this does is this fragments polygons like that. So now I have, these are now separated, and I can just move them up like that. And there you go. So now if I were to move this anywhere around here, it stays within that ring. Right? So I hope you guys found that helpful. As I said, I wish that somebody had shown me how to do this a long time ago. I can think of many useful applications for this, and hopefully now that you have this under your tool belt, you'll be able to make awesome things too. So if you found that helpful, like, share, subscribe, all that great stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.